You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Morning. It's like Wednesday of finals week, and I'm almost done with my finals. I just have my CS report that I'm working on right now to submit, and then I'll be done. So I'm actually planning for like a beach day today, a solo beach day. I'm so excited. So yes, I thought I would vlog that to keep for like memory's sake, because I'm very excited for it. I made it to Palawan Beach. It took me such a long walk to get here, but I'm finally here. And I got like kimbap from Huang's at U-Town. My first time trying it. I also got Boost at Vivo. It's so nice here. Everyone's just chilling. I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna try the kimbap. I'm just gonna like lie down and get tan. Maybe read a book. Or just take a nap. I brought my book that I borrowed from the library like a month ago. I've read like 20 pages already, so I'll just be reading this. And look, someone like wrote a note inside. So studious. This is possibly the best like thing that you could do at a beach. Oh my god, he made such a good invention. I love this one. So very unfortunately, I'm currently leaving the beach. Goodbye. I'm rushing back for my training at 8 p.m. Oh, they're kicking out people right now. Okay, anyway, as I was saying, I need to rush back for training, so it's very sad I have to leave the beach. But it's been a really great like 4-ish hours just sitting there and relaxing. Honestly, really highly recommend everyone to just take a solo beach trip. It's good healing for the soul. Thanks for watching. Bye.